You guys, I don't know if I know how to do this anymore. I've been sitting here super awkwardly for the last, oh man, I don't even know how long. Is my mic even on? Hold on. Okay, so this thing is happening. I have the weirdest lighting going on. No makeup on because I was running out of time for another Saturday, and I was like, you know what, we're just gonna get this done. So here we go. I'm just gonna try to make this work, and we'll take it from there. We're gonna do an empties video. Oh my gosh, so awkward. Okay, let's just jump into it. I have probably reviews for most of these things, and I will link them down below. But in the meantime, I will let you know my initial thoughts or what have you. So this is the Pixi Double Cleanse by Hirons, which you can't see. Let's see, is that any better? Maybe, there we go. I really enjoy this stuff. It makes it super easy to do a double cleanse while I'm traveling, which I've been doing a lot of. And they will often pull me aside at like TSA or whatever and ask me to make sure that it's actually only 100 milliliters, and it is, because it's 50 by 50. It's just the packaging is bulky, but don't let anyone tell you otherwise. You can take this through in your carry-on case. So I love that. Skoah's face cream. I was actually just at Skoah today, and I got a facial. Yeah, okay, as though you can see that, maybe, I don't know. Anyways, I think their face cream is fine. I wouldn't repurchase this one. I already have a backup of my Pixi, but I don't think I would repurchase this one. It's a nice enough face cream, but nothing special to write home about. That's that. I finally made it through my Irish Moor Mud Mask from Peter Thomas Roth. As you can see, it's empty basically. I like this stuff. It's a little aggressive. I have another, I actually have a Skoah mud mask that I'm working through. I might go back to this one, but I think I might get a smaller one. This took forever. Like, I got bored by the time I was through it. My heart is racing. I've never felt this nervous filming or this awkward. I don't know. Anyways, but it was a nice product. I would use it again. I just would probably buy a smaller sample set so I could actually be excited about using it. This is a repurchase. It's the Strom, the Jasmine Garden spray. It's quite a nice facial spray. It's a nice little treatment. It smells lovely. I would say that as a splurge for myself, I would repurchase it. I just have so many more affordable facial mists that I would use up first. So I'm gonna finish those and then potentially go back and get another one of these, or do it during a sale or something. This is the Kypris Beauty Elixir in 1,000 Roses. Again, this lasted forever. It was lovely, very, very nice and moisturizing. I'm not running out to repurchase it. I don't think it did fantastic things for my skin, and again, because it took so long to use up, I was kind of bored by the end of it. So I probably will put it aside for now, but it is a nice moisturizing serum. And then that was just overflow. My box is full of stuff. Obviously I haven't filmed in a year, which there's not actually enough skincare in here for me to have justified being gone from filming empties or filming in general for this long. I just have been super, super slacking in my skincare recently. This is the Glam Glow Thirsty Mud Hydrating Treatment. This one, I think this is my second tub of this stuff. I really like it. I would repurchase it. I've been trying out the Skoah one. This is what happens when you go to a normal facial place. You get hooked on buying tons of their product. So I will probably go back to it once I'm in need of a hydrating mask again. I went through another beauty blender. It's starting to rip and do all the kinds of stuff. So I've already got one in my travel makeup case and one on my desk. So I love it. I get the Pro, the black one. I find that it gives me a more full coverage foundation, which is what I want when I'm using makeup and foundation. Still so nervous. It's right here, you guys. So weird. Anyways, I went through a whole moisturizer, which is rare for me. I have so many that I flip back and forth from. So the fact that I finished a whole one is actually pretty exciting. This is the Sparkling Hollyberries from Purity. No, what is the name of the Philosophy? I got it. It smells so good. It takes me back. Do you guys have that? The scents that are so strong, they take you back to a specific point in time. It was last holiday season that I got this. I like it. It has a beautiful, warm, fruity but sweet smell. sinks in pretty quick and does a good job hydrating. I will not repurchase it because I cannot buy any more lotion because I have so much. But if and when I finish all that, I would probably go back and purchase this one. I went through Sensitive Skin Cream from Chanel, which I really liked. It doesn't really have a smell. It was a nice water-based, lightweight face cream. It was really lovely. It's just a tad expensive, and I've got a bunch of other moisturizers to work through. So I would go back and buy it again, but not until I've worked through all the stuff that I have. What else we got? I went through Dr. Jart UV Sun Fluid. Noelle gave this to me in Florida, I want to say, last April. I liked it. It was lightweight, good SPF. I found that my skin can't really deal with an SPF above a 30. And so this was nice and lightweight. I would totally repurchase. This is my ride or die facial cleanser. This is the Amazing Face Moringa Cleansing Balm. If you've been here for any amount of time, you've probably heard me talk about it. I already have a spare in my drawer. I will never be without it. I love, love, love this stuff. And the smell is just amazing. I have been on a hunt ever since I started using this for things with moringa flower or moringa extract. I've never found anything. But if you know any good stuff, let me know. What else we got? Did I actually go through one of these? Is that possible, you guys? No, I was like, there's no way. I haven't used any of this stuff. This is the MAC Prep and Prime. It's like a limited edition collection. I'm like, I don't think I finished any of that. I did finish the Leilani Bohemian Ruby Balancing Toner, which I genuinely really enjoy. If you know me as well, you know that I hate waiting for things to come in the mail. I hate paying shipping fees. So I'm sticking to a bunch of the toners, like the spray form that I have. If I ran into this one in a store, I would totally pick one up because I really enjoyed it. It was nice and light and fruity, great scent, and just like a delicate misting hydration. I went through one of the Paula's Choice Resist Ultralight Super Antioxidant Concentrate Serum. This is one of my favorite serums that really makes a big difference in my skin. I've got a couple still in backup, and I continue to use it and really enjoy it. What else we got in here? Alrighty. I think I have a bunch of reviews, so I will put the reviews that I have for everything down below, but especially on the mascaras. This is the Superhero by It Cosmetics, the mascara. I was not a huge fan of this. I didn't find it like it did anything particularly magical. I like super dramatic, super long lashes, and I didn't think like I got either of those two from this. So this one is a pass. The Voluminous Lash Paradise by, I want to say, L'Oreal. Yeah, people rave about this. They compare it, I want to say, to Better Than Sex by Too Faced. Nothing to write home about for me on that one. This one is on heavy rotation at all times. It's the Maybelline Last Sensational Luscious Full Fan Effect. I've tried the one in the pink tube. I do not like that one, but I love, love this one. Like I said, I already got some. This is the Volume de Chanel. I don't know. Everyone keeps telling me it's great, and I keep getting these little sample sizes whenever I like go in and buy anything. And I just, not my jam, unfortunately. And same thing with the Better Than Sex. Again, I want to love it. Have not been able to. This I didn't actually fully finish, but it's gone dry. There's a couple of them like this that I had to throw out. It's the ColourPop Matte Liquid Lipstick in Limbo, I want to say. Yeah, so, oh, this one is still a little bit wet. Some of them are doing weird things to me. Either they're dry and like I can't get them out of the tube. My Smashbox Boss Lady did that to me the other day, and it made me really sad. I'm like, this is like a $30 lipstick. Don't do this. I don't know if you guys have any tips for like reviving liquid lipsticks. Let me know. This one started just flaking. Like it would go on, but it would flake all day long, and I don't have time for that nonsense. So I love that color. I have a similar color from another formula, different brand, I want to say. So I'm not going to repurchase that one, but yeah, that's where we're at. If you made it through this entire uncomfortable video, thank you. I've missed you guys terribly, terribly, terribly. I know most people that come back and film like a life update. I don't have a life update for you. All I'm going to tell you is that just like work has been busy, and there's been some people that I love that have been sick, and yeah, not enough hours in the day is really where it's at. Not enough energy in the day. But I do miss you guys. And I want to be here. I was gonna like film a couple videos since I was sitting here, but I literally have no idea what to film. So let me know what you guys want to see. I used to film a lot of hauls. I haven't really hauled much of anything recently. What was my couple last purchases? I bought the ColourPop Disney Couture collection, like that big box set. If you want to see a video on that, let me know. And then around Christmas, I bought, Noelle gave me crap because I think I forgot to tell her. But she saw them on my eyes. I bought, there's a new collection by Too Faced that's like a Tutti Frutti collection. So they've got like some liquid eyeshadows and the blush and a stick highlight. So like that's my recent haulage. If you guys want to see any of that, even though it's old, let me know. Or if you have any ideas, I don't even know what I would film. So thoughts, suggestions, recommendations, all that kind of good stuff, let me know down below. We should do points of positivity, shouldn't we? That's important. Okay, my points of positivity are sitting here and filming with you guys today. My second point of positivity would be a nice facial I had this morning. It wouldn't be a video with me if there wasn't like technical difficulties. My camera shut down, the lights in the way. My third point of positivity is just having a really relaxing day. I like, despite my facial, made no other concrete plans. And yeah, just sat and enjoyed. So anyways, let me know what you guys have been up to, what your points of positivity are. Maybe this will get easier the more I do it. It's like getting back on a horse or a bike, right? That's the expression. Sure. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later, hopefully. I hope you've had lovely, lovely days and have done something that brings you joy. And if nothing else, please remember that life is way too short not to live boldly, and definitely too short to wear boring lipstick. Bye, guys.